Updating your billing address with Charles Schwab is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your information is current. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Charles Schwab website and log into your account using your username and password. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in the databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 3. Select billing address. In account settings, find the option for billing address or contact information. Click on this option to proceed. Step 4. Update your address. Enter your new billing address in the provided fields. Make sure to double check for any typos or errors to ensure accuracy. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new address, look for a Save or Update button. Click this to confirm your changes and ensure your billing address is updated in the system. Make sure to periodically check your account information to keep everything up to date.